Hi guys, good evening. Kain tayo. Dinner. Ulam guys for tonight. Isdang tambakol. Then, mayroon siyang halong kangkong na gulay guys. Kain tayo guys. Shout out dyan sa hindi pa kumakain. Kain tayo, dinner. Dinner time. Yun naman, yung time saging guys. Banana. For dessert. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.